So describe how web pages are located, retrieved and displayed on a device when a user enters a URL. So Umar, you need to understand the process, what really happens when we type a website on our web browser. Say for example, this is my computer, right? Say for example, if I type this website cnn.com, right? Normally what happens when we hit the press button, this website that contacts the DNS server, normally that is deployed at ISP sites. ISP mean, let me just a second. ISP, Internet Service Providers, right? They have multiple servers at their end. For example, malware server, proxy server, firewall server, DNS server. So what happens when we type cnn.com and when we enter, then this website CNN that goes to DNS server. Now DNS server has millions and billions of records there, right? For example, bbc.co.uk, and the IP address of this website is, it's by the way, it's an example, 2.2.2.2, right? So normally we call it index file. So DNS server, it has this file bbc.co.uk, then we have Alibaba, Amazon, etc., etc. Amazon.com, and the address is 100.1.1.1, right? So CNN, this DNS server try to find out this site. Is this website exist? cnn.com. I'm just presuming, right? 20.10.10.2. So DNS will look up the table. If it doesn't find the website cnn.com, that it contacts with the other DNS server close to it, right? DNS, let me say DNS2. Umar, clear?
Yeah.
So here is the same case. He has the list of websites and IP addresses, corresponding IP addresses. Say for example, it has cnn.com and the address is 20.2.2.1, right? And it has the other IP addresses and websites. So DNS1, it requests the DNS2 and asks him, do you have this cnn.com IP address? DNS2 replies it back, yes, I do have, right? And DNS2 sends back the IP address of cnn.com, which is 20.2.2.1. Umar, clear?
Yeah.
Now because DNS1, it doesn't have this record in its file, so it will update its record file, index file cnn.com, and the website is 20.2.2.1, and it sends back the IP address 20.2.2.1 to my computer. Umar, clear?
Yeah.
This is step number 1. Okay, And in step number 2, my computer, now it will send this IP 20.2.2.1 to a web server, website server, web server, right? And
Yes.
it responds to that web server, sends me the URL or the pages, multimedia pages, and I can see the things on my web browser. उमर क्लियर? मुश्किल तो नहीं था?
नहीं.
गुड. By the way, we call this thing DNS actually resolves DNS server, DNS server resolves the website address into IP address and IP address into website address, etc., etc., and IP to website. Clear?
Yeah.
So my computer, it's a client. I have a browser where we type the websites, addresses or URLs. So we every single day, but you say whenever we pick up our phone or laptop, so we Google, we type the different websites and we get the information the same way that I told you, right?
Yeah.
So the website that is resolved into IP address, DNS server, domain name server or system, that gives you back the IP address, and my computer that sends the IP to the web servers where it finds the corresponding websites and give me back the HTML multimedia pages. And my browser translates or interprets that HTML code and I can see the audio, video and text based things on my browser, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so next topic is, so we are done with this. Describe how web pages are located, retrieved and displayed on a device when a user enter a URL, including the role of web browser, IP address, DNS, web server, HTML. Clear, Umar?
Yeah.
Okay, now